Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Graph OAuth in mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Graph OAuth in mobile apps, start by registering your application in the Azure portal. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the left-hand menu. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Provide a name for your application and choose the appropriate account type. In the Redirect URI section, enter the URI that your app will use for authentication. Once you have completed these fields, click Register to create the app. After registration, take note of the application, client, ID and the directory, tenant, ID for future use. Now, go to Certificates and Secrets within your application settings. Click on New Client Secret to create a new secret key. Add a description and set an expiration period for the secret key. After you save, make sure to copy the value of the client's secret immediately, as you will need it later. Next, navigate to API Permissions on the left menu. Click on Add a Permission and select Microsoft Graph. Choose the necessary permissions based on the features your app requires. After adding the permissions, ensure you grant admin consent to those permissions if needed. Now, focus on your mobile apps codebase. Utilize the Microsoft Authentication Library, also known as MSAL, for handling OAuth operations. Install the MSAL library into your mobile app project, following the instructions for your specific development framework. Set up the authentication parameters in your app code. Include the client ID, tenant ID, redirect URI, and the scopes needed to access Microsoft Graph. Implement the authentication flow, initiating the sign-in process when required. Handle the response to receive the access token upon successful authentication. Use the access token to make requests to the Microsoft Graph API. Ensure to manage token expiration by refreshing tokens as needed. Test the authentication process thoroughly to verify functionality within your app. In conclusion, successful authentication with Microsoft Graph OAuth in mobile apps requires careful setup and implementation. Following these steps will enable a secure and efficient authentication experience for your users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.